So Melynllynnon is known as Wales's last working windmill. It's been here since 1776, which makes it almost 250 years old. However, it was only one of 48 windmills that used to be here on Anglesey. The importance of it comes from the name that we're given from everybody else in Wales, which is Môn Mam Cymru, which translates to Anglesey, the mother of Wales. We're also known as the breadbasket of Wales. And that's because we had such fertile land to grow the grain, and we have the perfect weather to mill, that we had loads of these windmills, loads of water mills, and we fed the rest of Wales with bread and flour. Hence, the mother of Wales.